If you pull up on me, you know what's up. Squirt. That's not even the lyrics. I know. But hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, and if you're a return subscriber, what's popping, bestie? Welcome back. I miss you. Yes, girl. Yes, boy. I miss you. But let me stop being goofy. Y'all, today video is going to be a little different. I mean, I have a similar video, one or two, on my channel, but it's a new week and I was over here thinking, what kind of content do I want to put out for this week on my channel? And that's when I had a little idea today. Why don't you do a meal prep video? So yes, y'all, that's what we're doing. We're doing a meal prepping. If you know one thing about me, I am not all things. I am all about fitness, about eating healthy, about wellness, about taking care of your body. Because baby, you have one body, one and one only. You need to take good care of it, okay? But yesterday I did grocery shopping and today is meal prep day. Yay! Not me clapping for myself, but yes, y'all, so let's get ready. I'm most likely going to do like a voiceover for this video and also putting some music over the clip. I'm just showing you guys what I'm going to prepare for this week. The reason why I had this idea is because one, the way I've been eating, I've been losing some weight. I don't know if you can tell, but your girl, yeah, she look good. I look good. I know it. And I know a lot of you most likely want to, get in shape, lose a little bit of weight. But even when you're trying to lose weight, know that however you look right now, you look good. But is there room for improvement? There's always room for improvement. Just start right now. Just start where you're at right now. Don't wait for the next week to start. Don't wait for the next month to start. But start right now where you're at, bestie. So yes, I've been on my journey of losing weight for the past, I can say, 8 months. Yes, back in December I was 210, and right now, like you can see, I mean, you can see my body, but of course you can't figure out my weight. But last month when I checked, I was exactly 195, 96. I haven't checked since then, but I feel really good about my body. I feel amazing in my body. In this specific moment, I feel very energized. I feel powerful and I feel healthy. That's all that matters. I just want to put that out there, okay? But anyway, today I'm only doing 2 different meals for my weight loss. Okay, yeah. I don't know, I'm feeling very much sassy and bold and confident, and I love that for me. Yo, since I turned that new chapter, the power, yeah, the power. Let me stop fooling around. Let's get right into this video. So we are starting with some sweet potato. I'm going to bake this sweet potato. I will also show you guys the seasoning that I am using. I cut this sweet potato in small pieces, but you can cut them however you desire. 30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam?
anytime. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight? Hey.
If you're someone that is trying to lose weight, I will say when you are meal prepping, try to include a lot of vegetable in your meal and less carbs. If you are making this exact vegetable that I have on the screen right now, I will say put the carrots under the oven for 10 minutes before you put the broccoli, because if you put both of them together, the broccoli will cook faster and it might get burned if you're not watching it.
Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still?
For this part, you don't have to use the exact same seasoning as me, but these are the seasoning that I am currently using to season my meat. And I'm also doing 2 different meat for this week. I'm doing the beef and also the chicken. Now it's time to cook. I use extra virgin oil. If you have extra virgin oil, if you're capable of buying it, I will say to use that oil because it is healthier than the other one they are selling out there, just FYI. But I end up pouring the seasoned meat on the pot for each of them, and I make sure to keep the stove under a medium heat so nothing burn fast.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time.
For the past month, I have been replacing spicy cauliflower rice with regular rice, to be honest, because I have been trying not to eat too much carbs since I'm on a weight loss journey. I honestly really love the cauliflower rice. If you ever want to try it, they sell it at Trader Joe. I usually tweak it a little bit myself. Like you see, I add corn, peppers, and also some seasoning. Since I am on this weight loss journey, I have been trying my best to control my portion sizes, which is something a little bit tough for me, I ain't gonna lie, because I used to overeat more than I'm supposed to. But lately, I really been trying my best to arrange my portions. But yes, y'all, I hope you guys enjoy cooking with me. If you guys want more video of cooking, let me know down below. Also, if you try my little recipe, if you try my meal, comment down below what you think about them and how did it come out. Also, if you want more cooking video, like I said, let me know, because I really enjoy cooking. I love cooking. That's one of my love language, to be honest, like cooking for friends and family. But I haven't been doing that much. I just been cooking for myself since I live by myself, of course. But if you guys want more cooking video, let me know down below. I will be gladly and happy to do that for you guys. But yes, that's it, guys. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.